Surprise!
Hello
We're at the
from the Ticket and Transportation Center by Magic Kingdom.
So this was not what we originally were planning.
No, because we didn't want to wait 5 hours for something else that we were going to do. So we're like, let's go watch the fireworks at Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, so we're here. We're on our way to go catch either the monorail or the ferry.
It's cold.
Yes. It's
this
only
is super big on me too.
Hey, for all you northerners, just to let you know, it is like 56, 57.
No, it's
freezing.
It was 55.
It was 55. 55. Yeah. It's freezing, guys.
It's cold.
Great, you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Time ago, in a place called Neverland, there lived a sparkling spirit named Tinkerbell. Legend has it that to this day she still flies over this magical land of fantasy. And the story is told for children of all ages that if you wish hard enough and believe strong enough, Tinkerbell will soar high above the Magic Kingdom and light our fantasy in the sky.
Should I flip the switch now, Mickey?
Not quite yet, pal, but it won't be long now. Let's see, yep, just a few more minutes till we start the countdown to the new year. Oh, gosh, I can hardly wait.
Oh, Mickey, me too. And I can't imagine a better way to celebrate the new year than with all of these nice people right here in the Magic Kingdom. Oh, what a special moment in time.
Time? Is it time? Now? Gosh!
Take it easy there, Goofy. We still have plenty of time. Oh, no we don't. Goofy, this is it. Start the countdown clock.
Alrighty, Mickey. Starting the countdown clock.
Okay,
obviously.
We could have done Peter Pan because it was only 25 minutes.
Yeah.
Or small.
And go figure, we waited all the time for our dash to come through, and it's at a 13-minute wait. Oh well. Let's go enjoy this. As you can tell, it's 1:08 right now. We're going to see how long it takes to get back to their car. 1:08. Look at the line right now. It's backed up all the way. So we're going to see how long it takes. Like I said, it's 1:08, and we're going through the resort monorail. It's a secret. It still goes to the transportation center. Don't tell nobody. Amber. Shh. Well, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. It's almost 2 a.m. over here. It's, what, 48 degrees?
It is. So we left the park at 1:08. We were in the car at 1:42. So it took 38 minutes, which isn't horrible, but we also went on the resort side.
Yeah, because we would still be waiting in line for the regular monorail because it was super, super long.
Yeah. But guys, honestly, what an experience. I mean,
that was my second New Year's. I worked the first one when I was at Pirates, and it was so cool to see because it was all around the park, and I was like, oh, that would be cool to see. Maybe Brian will see it. But this year it didn't happen, but it was still so amazing. The
fact that Mickey and Minnie's like, hold on, stop the fireworks. It's almost time to count down.
It is so cute. Like, I was short, so like there's tall people in front of me, so I would look through people's phones, and I'm like, okay, that's what I'm seeing.
Yeah, it was honestly, I think it was like probably one of the coolest experiences that I've had at Disney. Yeah, I mean, it was like a party atmosphere. It wasn't even
cool. The DJ Disney, I think, could have been a lot better, because once I got to like the really good choruses, like, oh, the song's different.
Yeah, some of those mashups with the songs.
Yeah, it was kind of different. We're like, oh, just because, yes, there are Disney songs, it doesn't go with like Pitbull or anything. Yeah. It's kind of weird, but I mean, it's not a complaint. It was just like, okay, so when you're waiting for fireworks for 2.5+ hours, you're like, oh my gosh.
So that's something that you guys we didn't say anything to you guys, but we actually got in line for the fireworks at 9:15.
No, we were waiting in our spot, but then tall people kept getting in front of us. We had to like maneuver our way around.
So they were starting to block off, and then the cast members came in and was like, everyone stand up and push forward. And so anyway, but honestly, it was really cool. I liked it a lot.
It was fun. It was a short fireworks show, but it was still really cute.
Yeah. Actually, probably the highlight of everything tonight was doing the photo pass right there by the Christmas tree.
Yeah, that was pretty fun.
Yeah.
We'll have to enter a photo or two, because he's like, do you want to do cute or silly? We're like, either one. He goes, let's do both. We're like, okay. Yeah. And our noses are red because it's so cold for us. For 48 degrees, that is cold.
Yeah. It's
compared to when we lived in Nebraska, it was like -40. See how things have changed?
Yeah. Well, guys, you've made it this far. Thank you so much for stopping by. Yes, please. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Let us know what you guys did for New Year's, because it's always kind of cool to see what everyone does.
Send us pictures or tag us in them. We love seeing those, and even comments and liking. We're very active on Instagram, and I'm trying to get better at TikTok, so we'll see how that works. Yeah. So please like us over there as well. You can send us emails as well. Send us challenges, ideas, places to go, things to try, maybe new food.
Yeah.
Since it's a new year, it's 2024!
So this is our 19th New Year's. Can you believe it?
That's crazy. We're old.
Yeah. With that, guys, we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.